Hello forex traders, so I'm bringing to you another video just before the NFP news. Stay tuned and watch as we break down these pairs. First of all, this is the Euro USD. This is daily time frame, and if you look at the daily time frame properly, what you can see here is a wave, is a bearish movement making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, maybe lower low here, probably lower high here to reverse down to 1.14027. Now if the market eventually breaks below this, breaks above this bearish counter trend line I've drawn here, then I'll be rest assured that okay, the market is about to move in a bullish direction. But now that we are still trading below this counter trend line, which is this sell counter trend line here, which is protecting the market, which is also giving me an indication that we are still very much in a bearish market, even though there are signs of bullish momentum in the market right now, which we can also refer to as lower high before the market pushes down to make a much lower low. So the moment we can see this, yes, we can be rest assured that okay, the market is still in a bearish movement. But once we break above this counter trend line, then the risk of we being in a downtrend is 30%. So we might probably be looking at bullish movement going forward. But the reason why I'm very much bearish on the euro is that I've in the past month been predicting that the euro was going to drop, and the reason why I said that is because I'm going to go to our 1 week time frame so you can see it better. The reason I'm saying it is because we have, let me go to my 1 month. We have some imbalance, we have trade imbalance here, which the market needs to come and correct. These levels here are very imbalanced. You see, the market pushed higher all the way here without no major retest, and which is so unlikely for the euro. Anytime the euro is going higher, whenever the euro is going higher, we need to make what we call lower low and lower highs. Even if we make them, as much as we make them on daily time frame and on the 4 hours time frame, we also have to make lower low and lower highs on a monthly time frame. So there is no lower low here, just higher highs. So we need to make a proper lower high to confirm that the market is actually in a sincere bullish movement. And also another reason why I think that the dollar is bearish is because if you look at this counter trend line, this sell counter trend line, something similar to what I showed you guys on a daily time frame, but now this is a monthly time frame. And as you know, I like to usually do my analysis from a monthly time frame to a weekly time frame to a daily time frame to a 4 hours time frame where I execute my trades. So this is the monthly time frame, and a monthly time frame we can see this first touch, second touch, third touch of this counter sell trend line. Now we recently tried as much as possible to break above this line here, above this sell trend line. If you go to the 1 week time frame, if you go to the 1 week time frame, we can see multiple consolidation on this same level here, which the market eventually broke below. Let me zoom in a little bit so you see what I'm talking about. You can see the market broke below here with a bearish engulfing candlestick, which I am mostly still certain that the market is very much bearish at this point. But we're just seeing a little bit of bullish reversal before the market makes a much bigger move. So we need to see a proper lower low, lower high pattern on a monthly time frame for us to be assured that the market is actually in a long-term bullish movement. But right now, those imbalances we saw on a monthly time frame, the market needs to come and take out those levels first before we can actually continue moving higher. And now that the market failed to even break above this line, now that the market failed to break above this sell counter trend line, it's just more indication to us that the market is very much still bearish and still going to come and take out this level here before we even see a proper push to the upside by the euro USD. and you can see this bearish move, this bearish engulfing candlestick, which we saw last month at the close of last month, which means that whenever we see a bearish engulfing candlestick, it means that there's a lot of pressure in that direction, which you can see that there's a lot of selling pressure in the Euro USD pair as of this moment. So I'll be very careful if I was you. If I was looking for buying opportunities in this pair, I'll most likely be waiting for the market to either take out this. I'm waiting for the market to take out this sell counter trend line. When we take out this sell counter trend line, we'll probably be coming into our monthly counter sell trend line to try and break it again for probably the fourth time. And if we do that, then yes, we are clear in an uptrend direction. But if we don't do that, we are still very much bearish. So the monthly time frame is showing us bearish, the daily time frame is showing us bearish, the weekly time frame is showing us bearish. So there's no reason why we should actually be bullish on the Euro USD as at this point. We can only anticipate bullish movement if the market shows us signs by breaking this counter trend line that we can see here. Probably the British counter trend line we can see here, then we might be looking for opportunities to actually buy the market.